Episode 2. She learned how to speak English. But life was about to test her, again. This time, it was not about speaking. It was about proving herself. Part 1, New Challenge. After her speech, everyone started respecting Ayesha. She felt confident. She was happy. But one day, her teacher gave an announcement. There will be an interview competition. Students got excited. The winner would get a scholarship. Ayesha wanted to try. But deep inside, she was scared again. Part 2, Fear returns. She thought, what if I fail? What if I make mistakes again? Old fears came back. The same fear that once stopped her. For a moment, she wanted to quit. Part 3, Inner Voice. That night, Ayesha remembered her journey. How she started. How she practiced. How she improved. She looked in the mirror and said, I have come this far. I will not stop now.
After that, she stayed silent for a moment. She looked into her eyes. A little fear was still there. But this time, it was different. She didn't try to hide it. She accepted it. She slowly said, yes, I am scared. But I am also stronger than before. Her voice was not loud, but it was real. That night, she made a promise to herself, I may feel fear, but I will not stop. I will try, no matter what.
Part 4, Preparation. Ayesha started preparing. She practiced speaking daily. She improved her pronunciation. She learned new sentences. She stood in front of the mirror and spoke again and again. Day by day, her confidence grew stronger. Part 5, Interview Day. The big day arrived. Ayesha entered the room. 3 judges were sitting. They asked questions in English. Ayesha was nervous. Her hands were shaking. But she took a deep breath and started speaking. Part 6, The Moment. Her answers were not perfect. But they were clear. They were honest. They were confident. The judges smiled. After a few days, the result was announced. Ayesha won. The same girl, who was once afraid to speak, had now won an English interview.
But her real victory was not the trophy. It was something much deeper. Something that no one could see, but she could feel inside her heart. It was her courage. The courage to try again, even after failing in her thoughts 100 times. The courage to step forward, even when her mind was telling her to go back. The courage to speak, even when fear was still sitting inside her. Because she learned one powerful truth. Real success is not about being perfect. It is about not stopping when things feel hard. It is about standing again when your own thoughts try to pull you down. So remember, your fear does not mean you are weak. It only means you are growing. And one day, that same fear will become the reason for your strength.
Never be afraid of your weakness, because today's struggle can become tomorrow's strength. This was episode 2 of her journey. A journey from silence to confidence. If you believe in learning step by step and growing every day, then stay connected with English with Stories. Because here, every story teaches you something powerful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next episode.